morning, everyone. Today we'll be opening our delivery from Amazon, and we're going to review it for you guys to see if this product is worth it. I think it's for, oh, this is for Mia's
painting.
Oh, it's not for painting. It's Mia's baby daily lotion. We have the Cetaphil baby lotion for Mia, and a dash camera, mirror mounted dash camera. And we have another one sold as set. I'm not sure what's this one. Let's put it this back first. And come here, my love. Let's get close. Come here. So we have Cetaphil baby lotion. This is very nice for baby skin, for moisture, as moisturizer lotion. This is your lotion. Mia Cetaphil lotion. Cetaphil baby face and body lotion. You like this one? This is your lotion now. Because her other lotion didn't really work for her. She has eczema since it's getting hot here in our place. By the way, we're in California. It's season, it's spring season, but it's starting to get hot, and so we are changing our lotion. And this one is the memory card for the dash camera. This is 128 gigabyte, and this one is 128 gigabyte as well. This will be used for our vlog. We usually use bigger memory cards because it easily, this one is a USB, easily gets full. And we have this mirror mounted dash camera. You can see H610 Van Top Dashcam. This is a really cool dashcam. We use this one with our other car and the other van that we have, and this really works well with us. If you watched our video about my behind the wheel driving test, this is the dashcam we used in there. So I will link it above here or in the description down below, so you can check it out. If you guys are interested, this one is a good one to check out. Okay, so that's all we have today. I hope you guys enjoyed our unboxing of our Amazon delivery. And stay tuned for our next episode. See you again next time. Bye!